Okay, hi everyone. Welcome back to our class. So sorry, earlier I said I'll have a live class with you to explain this, but I have to go to the clinic later because I just sprained my leg last night. So yeah, so I can't meet you at 2 p.m. But it's okay. I'll record this and you can watch it later. So today I'm going to explain about the task that you're going to do. Right, so there are two things to do today. So let's go on e-leap together. Okay, so yeah, Merry Christmas. I don't think it's late to wish you Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Because most of us are still in Christmas mode, right? Okay, anyway, so the things to do, one is problem solving activities, a group activity. It's a simple problem solving just to get you bonded with your group members. And then the second is group presentation preparation. So it's due on the 6th of January, which is next week. We'll do the same style like what we did previously, where you record the video and we'll do just question and answer on the 6th. Okay, so the first one, problem solving skills. Let's look at the instruction together. Okay, so in your group, you're required to choose one of these topics and find products that can solve the issue. All right, so it's okay if two groups choose the same thing. It's fine, but I prefer that you don't choose the same topic as the other groups. So you can ask each other later. But anyway, I don't mind if two groups choose the same topic. So all right, there are 5 parts of this report because you have to come out with a report. Don't worry, there are like 5 or 6 of you in the group, right? So you can divide the task among yourself. Okay, so there are 5 topics: laptop, refrigerator, water dispenser, washing machine. Sorry, washing machine. Sorry, I'll correct it this later. Washing machine, okay, and air conditioning in all lecturers' office. Okay, so the 5 parts. One is the problem statement. Okay, explain the problem that the students or lecturers are facing due to the lack of these facilities. So, for example, refrigerator in the dormitory. Explain the problem faced by the students because they don't have a fridge in the dorm. Yeah, they cannot store their food that they bought and so on. Okay, you explain just briefly. I'll give you a sample. There's actually a sample you can follow. And secondly, propose a solution. So the solution is to buy a refrigerator, right? And then describe products. So you choose 3 products in real life. So you can Google types of fridge, 3 model of fridge, and compare them. Okay. Again, you can refer to the examples that I gave you. That I attached together on eLeap. And next is product analysis. Okay, like imagine that you have conducted a survey. Just imagine, okay, this is imaginary. Imagine that you have conducted a survey among the students or lecturers on their preference. So then you can report why do they choose product A more than B and C. Okay, and 5, your conclusion. Present your solution and importance of making sure the issue is solved. Basic normal conclusion. So your report should be within 1,000 words. So don't be too long. I know you like to write, but yeah, don't be too long. Okay. So it's due on the 2nd of January 2021, New Year, next year, and by 11:55. Okay. But I think it's good to start early. Okay, let's go back. I actually attach a report sample. I got this from my friend from UUM. I think it's a very good activity. Yeah, see, it's very short, right? And then solution and then types of products. So the issue in this context is they don't have a microwave. The problem is they cannot heat their food, right? So they find 3 types of microwave and then they compare the 3 types. Okay. Yeah, and there you go. You just read the examples given. Okay, and then I hope that you do this well. Yeah, this is I like this activity because I think it's challenge. It helps you to find solution to a problem, to a real life problem. Yes, these are the problems I listed just now are real life problem. Like some lecturers' office, especially in the old buildings, they don't have an aircon. I remember I was in the room in a room with only fan for 2 years. Okay, and there's no window also. Okay, anyway, thankfully now I moved to a better room. Okay, anyway, next is a poster presentation. Okay, so I know that you are given the instruction on the Telegram, not Telegram, on WhatsApp, right? So actually, each lecturer, each instructor are given the freedom to change a little bit. So this is my changes. Okay, so explain your design. Why do you choose the color? Why do you choose the font, pictures, and catchphrase? And your, if you have them in your poster. And so justify the effectiveness of your poster to convey the message to your target audience. Okay, so of course, if your target audience are kids, of course the pictures should be more fun because kids, right, with cartoons and so on. If you want to reach out to adults, of course you will use different picture, different font, right? Okay, so yeah, justify the effectiveness. Why do you think this design is effective for the kids or for the adults or whoever you choose to, whoever your target audience is? And then describe the ways to share the poster to the public, whether you want to put it in a newspaper, publish in newspaper or magazine or mailbox, or send from mailbox means you send from house to house, put in the mailbox, or social media, or yeah, how are you going to share this poster to the public? Are you going to paste it on the roadsides and tell why do you think that is the most important, that is the most effective way for you to reach your target audience? The most important thing is reaching out to the target audience. Okay, and then next, the instructions. So okay, like last week, we don't want long videos, 2-3 minutes only. Okay, if 2 minutes is, I think, great. You don't have to talk too long. Okay, now everything is about bite size. Bite size means small size. Okay, kids nowadays, I don't think they can watch like 10 minutes video talking about a fake campaign. I will not do that. Okay. All right, so you can use any application to create the video, like what we did last week. You can use TikTok, you can use Insta Story, you can use PowerPoint with voiceover. Again, because presentation, your body language and facial expression is important. So you have to, I think it's good to, you have to show your face and body language, okay? Just like a real life presentation. Okay, so you upload your video on YouTube. So I don't want what happened last week where during class some people still haven't uploaded it on YouTube, so it delays the question and answer session a bit. So yeah, please make sure everything is done before 2 p.m. on 6th of January 2021 and upload it, paste the link on the eLib page, on the forum on eLib, okay, like what we did last week. And then at 2 p.m. on the 6th of January, we'll start our Q&A session. We'll watch it together and start the Q&A session. So you can upload the poster and video on Wix and write a short, like 1 paragraph reflection of the task. So remember, you have to always update your Wix. I think this will be your last week's, the last task for this course. So please take it seriously. And then please make sure your Wix are updated. Okay, so as you can see the note here, for each instructor actually allowed to choose, to change a little bit, change the instruction a little bit. So these are my changes. And so if you're unclear, you should ask me or your classmates, not friends from the other class, because their lecturer might ask them to do something slightly different. Okay. All right, I think if you have any question, you can ask on Telegram, and I'll answer you there. Okay, I think that's all. Please make sure you do your work well. Please collaborate with each other, and please submit everything before the due date. Remember, the report just now was the due date is on the 2nd, and this one is on the 6th by 2 p.m. because 2 p.m. is our class. All right, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye.